Hi my dear friends, are you ready for the new tutorial? Let's go. But before we go to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. First, you should add your videos into the CapCut. Then I click the first video and go to the overlay. Put it on the second layer. Then from the blend section, I set the blend mode into overlay. Then I select the second video and go to the mask and set it to split and pull it down over the edge of the sea. I didn't notice it was out of place. You painted fairy tales on the wall. Calling to the better of the halves of me, please show me just a little. Then I select the main video and go to the adjust section and do some adjustments. You can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, and other things, whatever you want to match better with your background. As you see, there is obvious contrast between the main video and the second video, so I should do some adjustment in the graph section. Now they are matched together better. You're looking like a sign of grace, I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. But when I noticed it was far too late, you left a fingerprint on my soul. For the second video, I go to the blend section again and set it to hard. There is some part of the second video that put on the subject, so I add a copy of my subject and remove the background of it. And set the blend mode to overlay. With keyframe, I match every movement of the subject with the copy of it. The filters that I use for all of the part of the video, the first one is Warm Natural and the second is Hope. After I put these filters into my edit, I go to the adjust and do some adjustment. It affects all the layers of my edit. As I mentioned this in my previous video, you can change the color in your video to any color you want. For example, if you want to change the pink color, you should choose the pink option in the HSL section, and with this option you can change the pink color to the color you want. You know, there is no specific or limited point for the edit you are doing. You should play with your edit as much as you can until it looks good to you. And that's the result. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to hit that like button and notification bell to not miss any tutorials I upload in my channel. Goodbye until next tutorial.